Hi, I'm Kay from Kay West Wigs. Thank you so much for joining me for my wig review for Jamison by Estetica in the brand new color Graydient Storm. That was provided to me by Wig Studio One, so I can review it for you. So thank you so much, Wig Studio One. So let's start with this new color straight away. It's such a modern take on a gray color. So you have dark brown roots, and then they melt into these silver gray tones towards the ends. It's just so modern. I really like this color. It's so cool. And here's the color outside. So let's talk about Jamison. Jamison is a classic bob length, a little bit longer on me than chin length. I do have a long face and a long neck, so wigs in general look a bit shorter on me than it might be on you or other people you might have seen wearing it. So always check the dimensions, and let's look at Jamison from all sides. So Jamison has a lace front and a monopart wefted cap. So let's look at that lace front. Overall, I think it is a darker color, so you're expected to see the knots there. I probably would pluck it a little bit just to make it less regular, but that's just personal preference. Let's look at the transition from lace front into the cap. I think overall that's done well, nicely covered with the fibers here. The mono part, really nicely done. So let's look at the cap construction. So the mono part goes all the way back to the crown, so it gives you a really natural look there. You have the lace front, then you have like a net covered section where you will find permatease, open wefts back and sides. You have ear tabs that are not covered with velvet. It's like a other type of material. It's not super soft. And you don't have an extended nape, and it has hook adjusters. There is stretch to this cap, and it fits my 21.5-inch circumference straight out of the box quite big. So fit-wise, as I said, fits my 21.5-inch circumference straight out the box a little bit big. There is gapping in the back, so there is definitely space to go up. You can tighten it a little bit more, so someone with a smaller head size could wear this as well. But please check that with Wig Studio One just to ensure that it will fit you and it will fit you comfortably. Density wise, so it has permatease right at the top, a little bit around the cap, but not much. It's a really natural light density, easily attackable. It has a really nice swish to it. The fibers are regular synthetic fibers. And I don't think they are too shiny where you have the silver. So styling option wise, it's long enough for a low pony. The front will fall out, so you might have to clip it back. As I said, easily attackable, so you can do that. You could pull back the fringe, hairband, so if you wear it like this, I would probably just pull out the sides a little bit because it's not an extended lace front, so you just might want to disguise the cap a little bit. Easy to wear with glasses. I wear my glasses over the ear tabs. That's personal preference. and it's not a problem. If you have sunglasses, you can just push them up and wear it like that. So Jamison, I think, is a lovely everyday bob, very easy to wear. This color is just so cool. Really modern. It's a really light wig as well. So I think it's ideal for all year round. So thank you very much, Wig Studio One, for sending me this piece so I can review it for you all. So, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at KOS Wigs. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.